Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn the next thing. How do you write a if else in Python, right? And there are various different operators that we are going to, logical operators we are going to check in this video. Myself Rakesh. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. If you are watching this video, please do subscribe and do hit on the bell icon to stay up to date because I am uploading videos on a regular basis. Let's get started. Okay, let's understand if else in Python. First of all, to understand this, we'll create two variables. Let's say I'm going to assign a is equal to 10, and let's say I'm going to assign b is equal to 10. So there are two different values, same value in two different variables. Now if I have to write a if condition, so I'll say if, and everything will be written in lowercase. Okay, if a equals to b, do you write a single equals to b or you write equals to b in Python? So it will be equals to b colon, then if they are equal, then it should print what? It should print yes. If they are not equal, then I'll say else colon. The moment you put colon, it will take you to the left side. So this space is very important. This is known as the white space. This represents a block of a code, so ensure the space is there. Okay, else print no, right? So I'll say no. Okay, so that's all. So what we are learning here, the first thing that we are learning is when you have to write a equal symbol, right? In Python, what are the symbol for that? Equals to. Okay, this is the first thing we have learned. So let's learn it. Let's run it. They can see the value saying yes. What if I say 20 to this and run it? The value will say no. Okay, this much is clear. Now let's learn the next thing. Greater than. If a is, let's say, less than. Okay, so less than symbol is simple. A less than. Okay, less than b. If a is less than b, it will print yes. In our case, it is less than. So this is the symbol. So for less than, what is the symbol? Less than, the symbol is this one. Okay, angular bracket. Okay, now for greater than, it is just the opposite. So if I put greater than, what is the output? A is greater than b. In this case, no. So it will print no. So the answer is no. Output is no. Okay, so greater than is this one. Less than, if I say, if you have to write less than equals to, how do you write less than equals to? So less than equals to. Okay, for example, if a is less than or equals to, this is how you write. So it should print yes, it is less than, right? Let's say if I make it to equal, the same value if I put for b, what would happen? It is saying yes. So same way, less than equals to, greater than equals to will be written like this. Okay, so these are the couple of logical operators that is quite general in most of the programming language, no much difference. So this is what you should know about, right? So if else you have understood, I'm going to talk about what if instead of me writing such a big statement, can I write it in a single line, which you call it as shorthand code. So can I write the if else in a single line? Yes, it can be written. For example, print print yes if a is less than b. Let's say I'm putting a condition just like that. If a is less than b, else print no. So what is happening? The same thing, just here, if a is less than b. So let me make it, let's say 30. If it is a is less than b, where in this case yes, so it should print yes, else print no. So here if I run this, it is printing yes. So with this, what I did, the entire couple of lines code, I put it in a single liner. Okay, this is also one of the important thing that you should know. If I make a as 80 or 82, let's say, if I run this, what happened? The answer is no. Getting it? So the conditions are executing, the symbols are important. Okay, another thing I forgot, not equals to. Okay, if a is not equals to, how do you write? So you'll put an exclamation mark and then put a equal symbol. So not equal is written like that. Okay, not equal is written with exclamation mark and single equal to symbol. If a is not equals to b, you print yes. If a is not equals to b, that means you should print Yes. Okay, if I make both of them equal, then it should print no. Getting it? So these are the couple of logical operators that you should know. We are going to come up with few more in the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching this. We are going to meet once again in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.